Hello friends, in this video we intend to teach you step-by-step how to register a name in the MyFundedFX prop account through the Tradingfinder website. Once you have opened the review related to prop firms and selected MyFundedFX, we click on the icon option on the website. And the login page for the account opens for us. If you have already registered, enter your login information in this section and sign in. Otherwise, click on Sign Up to open a new account, and the account opening page will open for us. After entering the information related to opening the account, the email address, your password, which includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click on these three options to declare that you have accepted all the terms and conditions related to this account and that you wish to receive daily updates via your email address. You also confirm that you have entered your name and surname correctly. And finally, click on the Sign Up option. In the next step, you will be taken to the account page. You will be redirected to the sign-in page. In this section, enter the list of account credentials with which you registered and click on the Sign-in option. Your account has been successfully opened and you are now in your trading dashboard. You are in this prop account. In future videos, we will explore more details about the prop account on the FX Funded site together. Wishing you success and profitability.